Are heading to Chicago. I am trying to download some music for this Breaking Bad episode. Yeah, we're gonna be boarding here, and man, I just gotta find the coach. We've officially boarded the 4 Southwest Chief. Onward to Chicago. Bright and early Tuesday morning, we are on the train ride from Albuquerque, New Mexico to Chicago, Illinois. And then we have a 2-hour stop in Chicago. And then heading off to Ann Arbor. Right now we're gonna go get some coffee.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Janine in the dining car. This will be a...
Thank you. We are stuck here on a train delay. We've been here for about an hour, and we have to wait for 3 more of these trains to fly by here before we can go anywhere. Expected to be like a 2 or 3 hour delay. We might miss our train to Ann Arbor tonight, which would suck royally. Freight train 2 of 4. We can't go anywhere until all 4 of those pass us though. Yesterday at 12. It is now 6:20 p.m. the following day, so a little over 30 hours. I feel gross, I feel exhausted, and also missed my connecting train to Ann Arbor. So I'm stuck in Chicago for the night. Rumor has it that Amtrak is providing a hotel for us since it's not our fault we missed our train. I hope, or whoever's going on that train to Michigan. But yeah, we'll see. Finally off of that train. 30 hours later. Now we gotta go find a hotel. If they don't have a hotel for us, I am not gonna be stoked.
So this hotel is located on East Wacker Drive. We're all set.
Awesome, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You've been a help.
Have a nice evening.
All right, you too now.
Okay, bye.
So they're putting us up in a hotel, gave us a $10 food voucher for here at the Union Station, and took care of the cabs. Kind of nice. We're staying at a hotel that's right on the lake. Can't complain about that. All in all, I'm not in a crazy rush, so I look at this as a kind of a nice, positive, relatively positive experience that could have been absolutely horrible otherwise. Ooh. This lady said we had to find a burgundy cab. The 3 G's, 3 C's.
You're on that late train?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
I have the elevators. You want to type 6 on the outside?
6. 614. 609. Wow, this place is nice. Thank you, Amtrak. You might as well have sponsored me for this whole thing anyways, so just want to extend a big old thank you. My train from Albuquerque to Chicago, that leg got delayed. Wanted to see what times were available tomorrow. That was Amtrak. We just booked ourselves a ticket for tomorrow at 12:40, which means your boy gets to sleep in. I am a very happy man right now. I was not expecting this. I was expecting to be miserable in Chicago, but this is great. We needed to go get some food though. Gotta make our way to Shake Shack. We are in Chi-Town, the Windy City. It is so cold. This is why I moved away from the Midwest. This, for those of you that don't know, I lived out in Michigan, where we'll be going tomorrow for about 2 years.
And then I threw in the flag, gave up, and left for a much, much, much warmer place on Earth. St. Petersburg, Florida. Way too cold out here to be walking around.
That is it for today's vlog. We are heading to Ann Arbor tomorrow. We are a day behind schedule now, but we're gonna be in Ann Arbor for like 4 or 5 days, so we're fine. We'll be able to catch up. And yeah, that's it. If you got this far, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if not, whatever, I don't care. I'll see you tomorrow.